Good afternoon, everyone. The tragic crash of UPS Flight 2976, scheduled to Honolulu this past Tuesday, November 4th, 2025, so far has claimed the lives of at least 13 people, and more victims may be found. Millions of dollars in property were damaged and destroyed. There was an order given about 5 miles around the site for people to shelter in place, while still others closer to the crash site had to immediately evacuate to avoid that horrific carnage. If you have to bug out, you've got to be prepared. And as awful as this may sound, please let this plane crash serve as yet another reminder of why preparedness is so important for you, your family, and your loved ones, and for any others in your circle. Please give some thought to how your home and property need to be secured and protected if you have to leave in a hurry. And please give some thought to what you may have to rapidly gather from your home, your nest, and bring with you so you can still function while you're away. It's an awful thing not to be prepared, and that's why Mary and I urge you to take this as a call to action. Make sure you have a plan, and please give some serious thought to it. For a lot of people, bugging out is a crap hits the fan kind of thing, a global scenario, and that is certainly relevant and should be considered. For so many of us today in this modern age, though, it's these localized disasters like what just happened here on Tuesday in Louisville that cause us to have to act quickly and be prepared. It can be a hurricane, it can be a tropical storm or tornado, a dam break, a chemical spill. Any one of these things could trigger an event where we have to just get away in a hurry. But while we're away, we still have to be able to function. On the flip side, we might have to bug in, as many people were ordered to do right after this Louisville plane crash. And if that's the case, do you have what you need to be able to function in your home while safely ensconced in it or safely ensconced on your property? You've got to give that some thought too. Our hearts truly, truly go out to all the victims of this terrible plane crash. And Mary and I once again plead with you, please consider developing a plan. Please consider being prepared so that you can do something like this and gather things quickly if you have to leave, or if you have to bug in place, that you have a plan and you can function while safely ensconced in your house or property. But we don't ask you to live in paranoid fear, looking around the corner at every turn. We're simply asking you to develop a plan and remain mindfully aware while you live your lives. Pay attention to the news, pay attention to the events going on around you in case you have to rapidly adapt to the circumstances. Thank you very much for listening, and thank you for your prayers for all the victims.